Today I'm making braised chicken feet with shiitake mushroom. They are tender, melt in the mouth and very savoury. I am preparing this in advance for my chicken feet wantan mee. This recipe is for 4 to 6 servings. The ingredients needed are 500 grams of pre-fried chicken feet. I bought this from the chicken seller at the morning market. 55 grams of spring onion, stem only. 170 grams of shiitake mushroom. If using dry shiitake mushroom, need to soak it until soft. 1.3 liters of water. 4 pieces of dry chilli, washed. 4 cloves of garlic, peeled. 75 grams of ginger, sliced thinly. 2 tablespoons of spring onion, chopped for garnishing. 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese rice wine. This is optional. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 2 tablespoons of onion oil. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. 1/2 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, optional, and 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour. This is optional. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. Fill a saucepan with water and bring it to boil over medium heat. Cover the pan. This should take about 5 minutes. In a non-stick pan, add all the onion oil in the pan. Switch on the heat to medium and let it heat up for about 30 seconds. When the oil has warmed up, add the ginger slices around the pan, all the garlic and chili. Give it a stir to evenly coat the onion oil. Then add the spring onion stem and let them cook for about 2 minutes or until the spring onion are cooked and the herbs has released their aroma. After about 2 minutes, add the shiitake mushroom, 1.3 liters of water, pepper, sesame oil, Worcestershire sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, thick soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and sugar. Stir to mix all the seasoning evenly. Cover the pan and bring it to a rolling boil. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, our water in the saucepan has come to a rolling boil. Switch off the heat. We can now blanch the chicken feet. Put all the chicken feet in a large basin. Add some water until they are completely submerged. Wash the chicken feet and drain all the water. Place a basin of chicken feet on the heat-resistant stand and carefully pour all the hot water into the basin. This removes any debris, oil, or impurity on them. Rinse a little before transferring them out of the hot water. Alright, set them aside. After about 12 minutes, our gravy came to a rolling boil. Gently add all the blanched chicken feet into the gravy. Cover the pan, reduce the heat to low, and braise it for about 1.5 hours to cook and soften them. Make sure to stir occasionally to ensure the heat is evenly distributed. After 1.5 hours, all the chicken feet become really soft and the gravy has also been reduced a lot. The shiitake mushrooms are all well cooked and very fragrant. Continue to braise for a few more minutes while I prepare the flour slurry as the thickening agent. As I like my gravy to be slightly thicker, add 70 ml of water to the tapioca flour and mix until well combined. Put aside. Let's look at the chicken feet in the pan here. Give it a taste. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already delicious. Stir a little before pouring half of the tapioca flour mix. Stir until well mixed. The gravy is still lighter than I prefer. Add in another 1/4 of the tapioca flour mix. Stir again. Alright, this time the consistency is perfect. Switch off the heat and it is ready. Arrange it on a serving plate and garnish with the chopped spring onion leaves. Now our braised chicken feet with shiitake mushroom is ready to be served. Let's eat! delicious. It's slightly spicy, but very savory and tasty. The fragrance of ginger and shiitake mushroom make this dish so appetizing. It can be enjoyed with rice or with noodles. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.